When I have a term outside of the parentheses like I do here, I need to distribute this term into each of the parentheses. Now I do need to remember that there is a 1 right here as this exponent. So when I go 2u to the first times 6u to the second, 2 times 6 gives me a 12. And for the u's, I need to add those exponents, and a 1 plus a 2 gives me a 3. Now 2 times a negative 9 will give me a negative 18. I have a u to the first out here. I have a u to the first and a v to the first in here. So I add the u exponents and I get a u squared. And then the v has nobody to add with. There's no more v's being multiplied in, so it just stays a v. And then 2u to the first times a positive 1v squared will be a positive 2uv squared.